In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a listing from eBay. If you have an item posted on eBay that you no longer want to sell, the process to remove it is pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can end the listing quickly and confidently. To get started, log into your eBay account and look at the top of the page. You'll want to click Sell. This takes you into the seller area where eBay keeps your listings, sales activity, and other selling tools. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's the main hub for managing anything you currently have posted for sale. Once you're in the seller dashboard, find and click Active Listings. This section shows all of the items that are currently live on your account and available for buyers to view. If you have multiple items listed, this is the easiest place to locate the one you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct listing, especially if you sell similar items or have more than one version of the same product. Next, select the listing you want to delete. Depending on how your eBay page is displayed, this may mean checking a box next to the item, or simply highlighting the listing you want to manage. Be careful at this stage, because choosing the wrong listing could end a different item than the one you intended to remove. It's always a good idea to double check the title, photo, or price before moving forward. After you've selected the correct item, click End Listing. This is the action that removes the active listing from eBay, which means buyers will no longer be able to purchase or view it as an available item in the same way. If eBay asks you to confirm your choice, go ahead and confirm it to finish the process. That's all it takes to delete, or more accurately end, a listing from eBay. If you're removing an item because it sold somewhere else, because the details need updating, or because you changed your mind about selling it, this method will help you manage it cleanly from your seller account. Just remember to review the listing carefully before ending it, since active listings can sometimes attract attention right up until they're removed. Once the listing has been ended, you can move on to updating your inventory or creating a new listing if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your eBay listings more easily.